Hi, my name is Acapella. Thank you for watching. For more funny videos, do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button down below.
You were looking down on me.
Look, oh, you will soon hear from me. Oh.
In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Acapella. I speak the truth. I fear nobody. After all, the life self don't tire me.
No job for Nigeria again. For the guys, the easiest job now have no job. They are straight to the government.
A governor in Nigeria used 520 million. They made Jacob Zuma statue. How much is the real Jacob Zuma? Every day they say Nigeria go better. I say make the fixed date.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming out. Sit down, sit down. Come on, make some noise. Let me know we're together. Better give me water every person know they use. Give me any water that's brand new. Okay, see this work here? After 2020, if I never make them, I'll do blood more the rest. Normally, while you perform drink water, they clap, but I forgive you people. I'll do them again. Listen. By the way, did you enjoy all the guys that's been on so far? Ladies and gentlemen. Did they do well? Come on, make some noise for them. Make some noise. A lot of them know the Lagos here. Y'all go bring them from far. Maybe they come now see the be here. No say Lagos Comedy be like Champions League. If you dey funny for Owerri. When they bring you come Lagos, you come to say, I mean, things are funny. What's it coming? This Lagos rugged though. Because Lagos no joke when they never hear. And now for free. Anybody will lie to you. Say Nigeria is 200 million people, thunder fire. Nigeria is 199,999,999 people. You cannot follow. Laughing as they talk at that time, I be no picking. I be we fight this country, or you go down use our sport. What it pain me? First way buy this country as Tokumbo, you know carry mechanic go. Normally when one buy Tokumbo, your mechanic will follow you. Now you go say, okay, the engine good, buy it. This country. You know that way if they play match, referee go come raise after 2 minutes. Now we do. After here now a penalty. I did hear this award yesterday. By the way, this life, oh boy, work hard though, so that your pikin no come turn your AKA. The highlight for me was Regina Daniel's mother. Newman just come out. My name is Rita Daniel, AKA Regina Daniel's mother. I said, which kind of AKA be that? As in Regina Daniel, the way that man they go, very soon her son name will be Regina. Just what's her name? Say Rita Regina. That word was so fun. Whiskey na idiot. Whiskey content head is look like tail. All the artists know they are wrong. Because they have on behalf of. You get one way for me. You know somebody when they call category, the artists they go call your name, then they go play the song. Tenny win 4 award. So they go say song of the year. I sit down with Tenny manager. When they play, call your name. They go play Joe Boy. I'm beginning to fall in love. That one pass. And they play Tenny. Papa no be down, go take that one pass. As they play, killing them shot. I tell the manager, get that say, I say, but I don't win this one. Even you know so your artist don't reach this one. I know say this country, people gonna do something where you they do the same thing, then they come to judge you differently. You get one man who I hate, the man be collect one bag from my hand. So I had to take I see the guy. One day we were in the show match, the guy come with a side chick. The guy a Chelsea fan. After the match, now the guy look me. This referee is a bastard, he's a cheat. As soon as your colleague only say you're not for free. To sell show for this Lagos now, you gonna nearly die. If you like popular pass Sanwo-Olu, by the way, where's Sanwo-Olu? You know Sanwo-Olu they campaign, I tell them the poster too much. You come like say don't use all the energy to print poster. I tell them this is where your poster the popular, make your work popular. Don't be say when we say wetin Sanwo-Olu don't do now, they call the describer. Your poster they don't describe them. To say show now how do E-Money, I'm a chairman. Normally once I don't design graphics, E-Money don't wire. As I don't post coming soon. If you see what E-Money do this time, you will not say this country. No rich or poor, get all of us now made to. You know as I don't post E-Money, he know what they greet am for. As I greet my chemo, I say E-Money, good evening. Now E-Money reply me with my account number, Bennett Daniel, Abi. I say, oh, you hold on since that means you been locked up. No one they pay me. Anytime I will do show, comedians will agree with me. People when they complain pass. Say, can you imagine? On that one table, they didn't even serve anything. Now people get free table. No, wait, what are you expecting them to bring to your table? You, what did you bring to the table? You brought nothing, we gave you nothing. And yeah, when they do show, if you don't get money, like some of these regular VIP now, if you be somebody and I buy 3, you don't be trying for UK, I just do tour for UK, 7 cities. You get one guy, UK they calculate to to go show for UK hard o. After the gate fee, they go calculate where they go park, how much they go pay. Then they come calculate how much they go pay, who go take care of the pikin as they come out. So normally when you advertise £20, wetin dem dey see na 120. You come dey wonder why your show no full. Na extracurricular activities. One guy ask me, how much is your gate fee? I said £20. And the guy said, how many hours make £20? After 2 minutes, now the guy said 3 hours. Now the guy asked me, Acapella, how many hours is your show? I said approximately 3 hours. He said no, do 3 hours, 10 minutes. I cannot use 3 hours to make money. I use 3 hours to enjoy it. Put something.
Hi, my name is Acapella. Thank you for watching. For more funny videos, do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button down below.
You know someone they just finished Big Brother. Now Gallas is my friend coming. MC Gallas now my guy. Now it's Acapella. This one with this Big Brother just finished. Why you not bring Mercy? Maybe saying that your show will be the first show when she come. That's okay. No problem. Come Mercy. You come Mercy. Now you call me back. He said I don't talk to them. I said Alpha. He said the same man bring 1.5 million. I said even you, I don't think give you 150. Mercy, even mercy of God now free. I will go carry money, give Mercy Big Brother. You know how many years are there before Mercy come? You know man? Mercy, you know say the Mercy see 1.5 million and you know if you can't. I mean, why comedy right now is getting crazier. The sensitivity is getting too much. Everything we talk about now, there's a fault. You talk about these people quarrel. Some people will not affect them all. They just be defender of the universe. If you just talk about anything, there's a problem. The other day I go to show for Abuja. Ordinary bald head. You know, so I crowd look about bald head. One guy come attack me for backstage. Say you are body shaming me. I say your head, not your body. The other day I cracked one joke about stammerer. But when you say the stammerer attack me, say you make me see myself less. If you dare here, you get big belly, I go curse you. If I curse you, curse me back. After all, it takes two to. I'm mad. Hey, Pepe who? Say Big Brother sponsor this show. Nothing that I know that's what Big Brother they do. Every time I go say, this is Big Brother. It is not that they expect your junior brother. They don't say that you now. Every day this is Big Brother. I know, I like this business. You have to do a lot of things to remain in business. Normally you don't already get the fame. People don't know say you're popular. So you gotta do things to their news, they keep up. Now I like the video, that guy, you know they take IC news. You know say when the video proposed to Chioma, now that day they do xenophobia. The video no come trend. The next day, the video proposed again, I do sponsored ad. Unamosia. By the way, talking about xenophobia. What thing is xenophobia? I'm not saying they pay me for this country. Buhari, I thought they look that guy. I sure say Buhari gets supermarkets for UK. See, xenophobia, first of all, if you are here, you are Nigerian, you dey fear. Say me xenophobia no come here, you dey waste your fear. Xenophobia can never come here. Who won't bring up? You know the hear news. Have you not asked what is the cause of xenophobia? South Africans were killing other black immigrants for taking their jobs. Where they work, where they want to take. The moment South Africans say they come, now we dey, hey, where you not delay us? Oh yeah, enter. Where they will do you 2 hours. They be kill Nigerians in South Africa. He took our president. almost 72 hours to even announce. Say they go send delegates, we go in another 72 hours. How can Buhari not be proactive? If for America film president active was Buhari. For film, America film. As that thing happened that night, tomorrow they go send delegates. Buhari himself can't go by October. You will suppose go South Africa immediately that thing happen. They'll come see Nigeria like big brother. Now why anybody they tell me say Nigeria na giant of Africa? It remains small man swear for you na the Christian in me. Nigeria don't be like slave queen. We post Instagram picture, can't get 100 likes. The next day now she writes book how to maintain fame. Who know him? And you know say Buhari they copy. When he do election 2015, he copied one speech from an American president. I belong to everybody, I belong to nobody. This 2019, I did Kano. Buhari they do campaign. And Buhari announced, wait till hear Donald Trump talk. He said, Kai, everybody, if you vote for me, we'll make Nigeria great again. People want to say, oh, we're giving Nigeria great. Oh, no. Nigeria great for our back. We don't believe our same Nigeria in the top.
Hi, my name is Acapella. Thank you for watching. For more funny videos, do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button down below.